What's up, DCV fam? Welcome back to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit me with that notification bell so y'all can keep up on these episodes, man, of the restoration on the 67. Plus, I got new content coming out. Bunch of little street racing videos I think y'all gonna like. We got Texas 2K coming up, all kind of little events that I'm gonna be taking the Vet out to, the Lambo. Plus I got my new project with the Escalade. We're gonna be pulling the motor out. But to get this video started, man, I just want to thank everybody. We got the car blasted. It has epoxy primer on it. Now we're about to start the body work on it. That's about to be the fun part. So I'm about to take you on the shop and show y'all what TJ got going on. Let's see. TJ! What's up, pimp?
What's up?
You looking crusty as usual? What we got going on, man?
We're sanding this down on here. It's kind of low, but
yeah,
once I get all this down, it should be.
I got you. So right now we're working on the trunk deck lid. A lot of people like to say trunk deck lid. So pretty much what we've done so far today, TJ. What you to get to where you at?
Well, I had to die coat it, had to sand it so I could see all the low spots. Look, I'm this one right here. They had a lot more dents than we could see.
Yeah, a lot more dents. We're getting it though.
This was all welded right here.
Yeah, I showed that in the last video. Okay, well that's cool. We got a lot of blocking to do on it. I know y'all waiting to see me get my hands dirty. My project is gonna be this. So what happened here is they replaced the quarter pound on the car. They did an awesome job on it back in 72, but it's 2020, so we gotta go back in, we gotta get this right. I got a little technique that I like to do. We're gonna put some more wheels in here, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna panel bond it. What the panel bond is gonna do, because I don't wanna put, I mean, we're looking at about a half an inch of body filler. I don't wanna put all that body filler, so we're gonna fill this with panel bond, get this nice and smooth. Then we're gonna come back with body filler to get it nice and pretty. And it's the same thing on the other side. We gotta do the same thing, kind of come in here and clean these wells up. Even though you'll never see it, I'm just thinking about longevity on this car. Got a lot of pitting here. All this was rust. I don't know what happened right here, but this is pretty bad. Well, it's lunchtime for me, man. I'm starving. I just got a phone call. We got a special guest about to pop up at the shop. So let's see who it is. About to roll up any second.
Sweet. Holy crap, this is interesting.
I was not expecting it to look like that.
Bro, that is crazy. So what's been going on with it? You're gonna have to give me an update because I'm lost.
Yeah, so pretty much we got the whole car blasted for us, all the outside panels.
Is that just, what's on here?
This is epoxy primer.
Okay, I got
to
you.
protect it from, from rusting. We actually didn't have to do the bottom of the car because it was,
Pretty good shape.
So once we pull that K-member off and get all the real suspension off, we're gonna clean it and undercoat it.
Okay, I got you.
So while all this is getting powder coated, get all this cleaned up and get it undercoated. So that way when we put it on, we're gonna be good. Trunk, end up having to cut it out.
Oh, I had to cut the trunk out?
Have to cut it out, yeah.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Started blasting and it's just pushing through.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, which ain't no big deal.
I was expecting that though, because like I was saying, it had water sitting down there, so I was expecting it to probably...
See all of the...
Yeah, you can see the little dings.
All this here was good, so we didn't have to blast this. All this is just gonna get painted with the firewall.
Dude, it's crazy to see it torn down to just this too. It doesn't even look like the same car at all.
See right here, we kind of busted through. We got to weld that up, weld these little spots up. This was patched, we got to repatch that. This fender actually, we caught it just, we caught it just in time. This panel right here, we actually did body work on it already. This is probably about 80% that we got to block it down and reprime it. All this was all body filler.
Really?
And then right here, remember I was saying I thought they changed both of the quarters.
Body filler all in there.
Yep.
So somebody, dang.
Before we started blasting, they had some little cracks right here. And that's why I kind of figured, we had something going on in there. So we got to come back, clean these wells up, re-weld this, make it, tighter.
So that's what you were talking about whenever you were saying you had some stuff. That sucks. Hey, and you know what else is kind of sad? I got news a few weeks ago. I didn't even want to say anything about it because I was like sick to my stomach. I found out that the block that was in here that was matching numbers and everything cracked in 3 places.
Wow.
For LS9 now.
Yeah, LS9.
Yeah, I've been thinking about putting something in here. I don't know. But
same issue on this side.
It looks like they cut the whole roof off. Or you think it got rear-ended?
Yeah, I think it got rear-ended.
And they probably just replaced it.
So what they did was instead of drilling these out and sliding the new panel, they just cut the old panel and just overlapped that one.
Oh man, that sucks.
And this here, see all these pits? That was all rust.
What?
Yeah. That's why I wanted to blast it, get it down to the metal, epoxy primer, and now we know what we're looking at.
Yeah.
So now we know what to do.
Looking like it's a whole clean slate, really.
The excitement and anticipation is still there for me. This is what I'm used to seeing. So
really?
I'm excited to get on it, you know.
Yeah.
A lot of people that take them this far, they got to start replacing all kind of stuff. So that's the good part about it, you know. All this stuff can be repaired and saved. If, you know, you'll start blasting the quarter pound, and they'll start doing that. Then you changing quarters, then you changing the roof, then you changing, you know what I'm saying? It could have been a lot worse. After we blasted, I was kind of like, whew. You know, that's all we got to cut on. Like, that ain't bad at all.
Yeah, that's true.
I got some encouraging words for you.
Some encouraging words. All right, let's hear it.
The encouraging words are, you brought it to the right shop.
Hey, that's true. I know that.
That's off,
I know that.
off the top. We're good. You've seen it at its worst.
That's true.
So
that's
now
true. It can only get better from here.
So now I get to work my magic.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So this is why I'm excited, because I get to work my magic. I get to show my talent. So when it's all said and done,
I think that's like the most exciting part, being able to see how bad you're actually starting with, and then once you get done with it, being able to show.
And I mean, that's,
start and finish.
Man, look, that's with any project. It is what it is. I knew going into this, I knew it was gonna be fun, but at the same time, my goal is once I get the body straight on it, I want you to come back and look at it. Once we get all the body on it.
Oh yeah, definitely. I would love to.
Because what we're gonna have to do from there, we're gonna have to get together. We're gonna have to pick the specific color that you want. The cool thing about it is that little plate right here. This is the original paint code right here. So we can either go off of that, or we can get creative.
That's what I was about to say. That's where like the hang up is now, is that if nothing's gonna be matching, if it's not gonna be original anything really, I don't even know if I want to keep the original paint on it anymore. I might want to just go with some different color, go with some different engine, go with some different trans rear end. I mean, at this point, what's the point?
Yeah, we can take that route.
That looks like a lot of room in there to fit a Coyote too.
LSA. Not a four motor.
Why not? Come on, man.
Hey.
I'll break the internet.
And then you know they sell the Hellcat motors on the crate now. So like I was telling Gavin, he's a little down right now. That's what we're showing him. But in my profession, this is what I expect. We did all the blasting on it, and we got all the makeup off of it pretty much. Now he gets to see where we're gonna start from. So that way, when it's all said and done, he's gonna really see how good we are at what we do.
They were trying to think. Yeah, I mean, you can. It's just not going to be too hard.
So you saying LSA, Nate?
All day.
How about we let the fans vote, man?
That's true.
Say we let the fans decide. So y'all drop comments. Hellcat engine.
2JZ twin turbo.
2JZ. Turbo, big turbo. That'd be some Tokyo Drift stuff. You can go Coyote.
Yeah.
Everybody going Coyote though. I don't know.
Why do you think they're doing that?
Yeah, they making power. They making power. Hey, something else I want to share with you, Gavin. We've made history here at Diamonds Paint Body.
How so?
This is the first time we've ever had an old school Camaro and a new school Camaro in at the same time. But here's the crazy part. Both customers' names are Gavin.
Really?
Yep. So, I mean, his is just in here for ceramic coating and painting the wheels. So ain't nothing crazy like yours.
I wish that was all mine was in there for.
Yours will be in this stage one day. We'll get it in there.
I can't believe though. I think I'm more upset about all the panels being dinged up everywhere. I think we were talking about I had body filler over everything.
Yeah,
So
the panels ain't really just that roof and them quarter panels. Like I said, the panels, I can live with the panels. I was just concerned that we wasn't gonna have to cut on this car. You know? That's what I hate doing. I hate cutting. I mean, cutting that out, that ain't gonna be nothing. But you know, when you gotta start cutting a quarter off.
I really just can't even believe. That breaks my heart.
Yeah, it is what it is, man. Like I say, cool thing about it is we get to show what we do. So we're gonna let the fans vote. So y'all start hitting them comments.
What we putting in?
LS6 427. That's what I got, my baby. She doing pretty good.
So when's the little K member coming out and going to paint?
Probably once we get the body done, because we got to put the fenders back on. I got to make sure all the body lines look good, and then we're going to get the car on that lift, pull everything out from the bottom, and then we'll put it all back together, then get it to paint.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it's a little process. Like we got to take a lot of this stuff apart. All this is gonna have to change. All them bushings.
Yeah.
We'll clean it all up. Make it look all nice and pretty. We have a big question mark right here under the hood.
Yeah, I know. That's what we need to figure out is what's going to go in here. This is like a complete change of direction from the plan from whenever I got it. Nothing goes according to plan, though. You should
Never.
know that.
Not in this profession.
No. Cars, nothing's going to go as planned.
Yeah, we had a 2-hour dent.
Size of a baseball,
Yeah,
and now it's
we had a dent right here, bro. That dent was like this big, bro. And now look at it. And you never know what you gonna get. But that's what we do. It's gonna be nice and pretty. I think when I post this video, I'm gonna have that that little song on. They be playing. You see them poor dogs in the rain. Poor little dog. We can donate to Gavin's rebuild '67 Camaro. But you know, it's all good, man. For the time being, I mean, you got a twin turbo GT350 to drive, so I
that car ain't nothing from that though. This one.
I already know. I know how you feel. Don't worry, bro.
Oh yeah.
You're good, man. You're in good hands. Now, when you see me panic, then you need to panic.
Well, I mean, worst case, I'm glad that we got to bring it down here just so people can see as you tell me.
Exactly. We're gonna show everything, every process. It's gonna be awesome,
Let
bro.
me get some pictures of all this.
Go ahead, check it out. I think I'm gonna try to twist his arm and go LSX block 427.
Well, I got a Coyote sitting at home with his
Yeah.
hands and clutch.
I already know.
Ready to go. That's a lot.
Uh.
And it's a built Coyote too. Well, I guess this went from being a nice classic car build to probably something that's gonna break the internet here in the future.
Exactly.
So I guess either
know.
way you look at it, it's not terrible.
We're probably gonna be tubbing out the back. But the cool part about this stage, I feel confident now moving forward than us just, you know, sanding a couple layers of paint.
Right, I'm glad we went this route.
Now if you were,
all the way down to barrel.
yeah, now if you were going to, you know, get this car, put a paint job on it, put a motor in it, and say, man, look, I'm gonna drive it for a year, I'm gonna sell it.
Yeah.
Let it be the next man problem. But you're gonna keep this car in your family 20 years from now.
I don't know if it's right first time.
That's the way I feel, because I know when I get mine, this is what I'm doing. I'm going all out. They'll get passed down to my grandson or something, you know? Yep. You got him straight? What's the issue?
It's a Ford.
Come on, man. Look, we can take parts off of this one and put it on that one.
That one drove here in one piece. I ain't trying to leave with it multiple. Should hopefully be able to come back and make it some power, which is going to be pretty cool.
I keep fast and very fast in the garage. So
Fast and very fast.
fast and very fast.
Which one is fast and which one's very fast?
The
They both sound slow to me.
the Lambo's fast. The Vet is very fast.
All right, I got fast, and then my black car about to be finished off. That's very.
You're gonna
fast.
be very fast.
Yeah,
I already know.
that's gonna be very
So we're gonna run these two. Well, I mean, this one and the Lambo, and then we'll run the two black cars. Yeah.
This car has bodywork too on it. Mondo right there, it looks like. And look, see how the rear bumper's fitting?
Yeah, see that.
I didn't even see all that whenever I got it. Then we came home, put a magnet on. I was like, come on, dude. I thought I got a real good deal on the car. I bought it for super cheap, but I got home, it had body filler already on it. It was blown motor. I didn't even know it was blown. So.
Unless you buy something brand new, it's really hard to find something not brand new with something minor like that.
I call it character on the car.
Oh yeah, everything that I got, it seems like it's got character.
Yeah.
It ain't the character that I want.
Well, look, man, I want you to go home. Don't worry about this car. It's gonna be fine. You need to figure out what beast of a motor you want to put in.
Yeah.
That's what you need to be focused on right now. Don't worry about appearance. Let us stress about that. And next time you come over here, we're gonna be picking out colors.
I hope so. I really hope so.
That's the
That'd be
game
awesome.
plan. We should have it ready to paint hopefully by the beginning of the next month.
Okay. Beginning of March, hopefully.
Yep. If you want to change the color, we'll change the color. If you want to go,
Hey, at this point, it honestly looks like we might be changing the colors.
we can go flamingo pink. However you want to do it.
Like flamingo pink.
Yeah, you know.
All right, man. I guess we're gonna get out your hair.
Cool, bro.
I appreciate
Good to
you letting
see
me
you,
come
man.
check it out. I'm
No
glad
problem.
it's here.